On Twist it was mentioned that mesh is geometry plus material. Not exactly wrong, but it's accurate. It's kind of inaccurate. Um, See, a mesh, if you Google it, you'll find that it's just horizontally and vertically arranged wires to give it a shape. It's kind of the same for 3D models as well. So, for example, take this cube, uh, 6 faces, nothing else going on here, but it has the same structure as that mesh, only that it's three-dimensionally arranged. See, same wires arranged in a horizontal and vertical manner in all three axes to give it a 3D structure. So, what exactly is a mesh? A mesh, before you know that, you need to know that a mesh is made up of these square-like structures. Can also be a triangle, but triangles are less accurate. Therefore, only meshes with squares are used. So these square faces in each side, if you see, each side has 16 square faces. So now each face is called a polygon. So the definition of mesh would be the density of polygons in a particular area of a given 3D model. Say for example, this cube has 16 polygons. Now, compared to this, pant of this character, in the same area, it has a lot more polygons than this one. So, when we say a mesh is heavy or light, we mean, yeah, this is a light mesh. This is a heavier mesh because it has more polygons. This has less. So now when you can refer to this one thing as one mesh, this one mesh, this one mesh, but you can also refer to the entire thing as one mesh, or you can refer to this as different, like 9 different meshes or 3 different meshes. It's up to you, because there's no accurate way of through the representation of meshes, because it's just simple density of polygons of an area, and it's just that there's no singular or plural. The same is not true for geometry. See, a 3D model can be either made of one geometry, like this cube. This is one geometry. It is also a 3D model. And this character, this is made up of multiple geometries, like these eyes. These are separate geometries. These ears, these are separate geometry. These tusks, the skirt, the pants, the shoes, these are all different geometries. And so a 3D model is a collection of one or multiple geometries. There's also a way to make different geometries into one, which requires you to join them. So that way, now 2 different geometries have become one. About materials, as you can see, materials require 2 different things. Either you can just have a shader controlling everything for you. The one is base color. You can just change color manually, or you can apply a custom image that you have created specially for it and connect that to it. So a texture, a material can be either a shader such as this, or a shader with a customized image made for it. A shader actually also has other different options that can be customized with an image. Say its metallic property or a roughness property or its transparency. It can be anything, and you can either just adjust everything from over here, or you customize an image and connect them like I have done. So to sum it up, uh, a mesh is just the density of the polygons of a particular area of a 3D model. It's not a building block, it's just a visual representation of the arrangement of polygons. It can be tightly packed, it can be dense, or it can be loosely packed and scarce, like as we say, high mesh or low mesh, or high poly or low poly. It's like that. So the proper definition of material plus geometry should be of a 3D model. So a 3D model should actually be geometry, can be single geometry or geometries plus the texture. I hope this helps.